Hello everybody and welcome back to Business Guide. Wake up at an ungodly hour, drive to the office through total gridlock, streets jammed with other half-asleep commuters, slog through email after mind-numbing email until the sweet release at 5 o'clock. Sound terrible? Passive income, that's the dream, right? Make money while you sleep. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. The idea behind it is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying thanks to your marketing. It's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn income from it as an affiliate marketer. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $1,044.70 today, fast. You do nothing. Make sure you stay as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. What is WarriorPlus? WarriorPlus is a digital product platform founded in 2006 by Mike Lantz for buying and selling products related to online business. With WarriorPlus, people sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, access to paid membership sites, and software. These products are all in the internet marketing or general business niches. Is WarriorPlus legit? Yes, WarriorPlus is 100% legit, as the system is programmed for both vendors and affiliate marketers to do business together. However, WarriorPlus has its own pros and cons. Even though it is not a scam, as you read on, you will get to understand more. After all, there is nothing with a good side without a bad side, right? WarriorPlus pros and cons. Pros: there are a lot of good products to market, you just have to find them. You get instant payouts rather than waiting for completing thresholds. It's very easy to get started on WarriorPlus, both as an advertiser and a publisher. WarriorPlus offers extended support, usually on refunds in case your vendor doesn't. Cons: there are more scam deals here than there are genuine products. There's no filter to stop fake products from being published on the site. Some affiliate programs require prior affiliate sales to be approved. There's no dedicated support for advertising. People usually face issues with refunds or vendors. How does WarriorPlus work? Like other affiliate networks, WarriorPlus works to the benefit of publishers and advertisers. They bring publishers, affiliates, together with product creators for a mutually beneficial relationship. They also provide tracking software that enables publishers and merchants to be credited and paid correctly for sales. One major difference with WarriorPlus in comparison with other networks is you have one registration to become both an affiliate and an advertiser. Once your account is created, you get access to everything necessary to become an affiliate for products or to become an advertiser of products. Other networks have a separate registration and follow-up process for affiliates and advertisers. Once you have a WarriorPlus account, you're able to browse their directory of vendors to find products you'd like to promote, or you can list your products. The products all fall within the make money category online and work from home niche, so we guess that's why they don't categorize a product like other networks. Rather than sorting products by relevance to your target audience, the WarriorPlus categorization is by refund rate, conversion rate, commission, launch date, sales, visitor value, and average sale. How do you make money with WarriorPlus.com? You earn money by 1. Choosing an interest, 2. Building a website, 3. Getting rankings and visitors, 4. Earning revenue. Each step is very important. Although WarriorPlus focuses on the make money niche, there are many successful niches out there, and you might find there's something you're more interested in. You don't want to rush past any step because then you might get burnt out or change your mind later, and then you'd have to start back at step 1 all over again. Building a website is like building a storefront online. It's your place of residence for your business. You'll find a lot of alternative methods and secrets, especially in the internet marketing industry circles like WarriorPlus or JVZoo. 1. Choosing an interest. There are different categories of products available in the WarriorPlus marketplace that you can choose from. Some of the popular categories available here are marketing education, entertainment, industries, software, online platforms, domain and websites. There are also different subcategories within these categories so that you can find the specific interest you want to. 2. Building a website. A website is like a store where you can place the affiliate products and your readers could feed off that product. It is more like a middle ground between a product and a consumer. You can promote the products through different means as well, yet it isn't considered authentic in most of the cases. It could also be through different mediums like blogs, yet most of the publishers usually prefer websites because it's easy and builds long-term loyalty. 3. Getting visitors. A specific thing about most of the products that belong to the affiliate networks is that they don't actually care where your traffic is from. There's only one driving factor: sales. This means that even if your traffic is inorganic, whether you're using social media to get more visitors or other method, you can still get paid. Your traffic could be organic as well, it doesn't really matter. However, we recommend you only start affiliate networking once you have a good amount of traffic. If you're still struggling with getting more visitors to your website, excessive ads or product sales might take them away too soon. 4. Earning revenue. There are 2 ways to get paid in WarriorPlus: PayPal and Stripe. After you fill out the necessary details before getting paid, you can usually get instant payments. However, if the amount isn't able to go through, it still remains on your WarriorPlus wallet that you can deduct anytime you want. Pretty easy, right? There's a lot more to do with WarriorPlus, but we're pretty sure you're still wondering if WarriorPlus is an authentic platform or just another scam. How to get traffic to affiliate offers. For building traffic, we recommend SEO primarily and paid ads if you have the budget for it. Others teach methods like solo ads, PPC ads, social media ads, and directing paid traffic to a funnel of some sort like ClickFunnels as a primary means of getting or converting traffic. And they're not upfront about the cost. One reason why many people teach these methods is because they're trying to sell you something, like funnel software or landing page software. We're all for paid traffic, but it costs. So people who are in the startup phase or are not aware of the cost of a business model like that can easily get in more than they expected. The method we recommend leaves you with a much lower overhead cost and typically higher profit margins. Bonus point: WarriorPlus one-stop place to become Warrior Forum affiliate. WarriorPlus is a helper site for Warrior Forum, which will let you become a Warrior Forum affiliate, and you can do more than becoming an affiliate. If you wish to sell your own product on Warrior Forum, WarriorPlus will let you quickly manage your WSO's partner with other JVs and add an affiliate program to your WSOs. Though, do remember you need to request becoming an affiliate for individual product, and it's on the discretion of WSO owner to approve or reject your application. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.